Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am making a whole bunch of cards. So I think I ended up with about 13 cards, and I am doing what is called mass producing. So I have the designer series paper called Wonderful World. This is a celebration item. Celebration is still on as this video goes out. It is August 8th right now. So we have till the end of August to get this product. It is, you spend $120 and you get this paper and a stamp set for free. Now the stamp set doesn't have a greeting in it, so I ended up using Biggest Wish, and I will show you that stamp set at the end. Okay, so basically in the designer series paper, there's all these big flowers, and I fussy cut them out. So what I'm showing you here is, in the culinary world, they would call this a mise en place, which is where you have all your ingredients together and then you're just going to put it all together. So I have my card base, which is basic white. I have my Sahara sand piece, and that is, let me think here, 4.5 by 5 1/4. So the other pieces that I'm using, so that was rich raspberry that you saw. I adhered all of those designer series papers, and that was 2 and let's see, I cut it down to about 2 3/16 by 4 3/8. So I know it seems weird, but you saw that I liked the thinner border around, so I cut it all down. So now with this 4.5 by 5 1/4 inch Sahara sand, I am ripping towards myself on the right hand side, and I am ripping off about 1/4 inch. And I did want to make mention that the pieces of designer series paper that I put on the rich raspberry was 2 inches by 4 1/4. I'm using rich raspberry, and I'm stamping the hello. I make a lot of cards and I send them out to my team. I send them out to my customers. Everybody gets a card from me if you shop with me, if it's your birthday, what have you. So I like to make, this is like mass production as best you can anyway. So what I'm doing right now is adhering down that Sahara sand, and you can see it looks very interesting on that basic white card base. So I think I had a few leftovers here and there. I wasn't fantastic with my count nor my measurements. As you can see, I ended up trimming off some of that rich raspberry, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It all works out in the end. If I have a little bit left over, that's fine too. So this was, I had already put the dimensionals on my rich raspberry cardstock before I actually adhered the Wonderful World designer series paper, just to make this video go quicker. And I did speed this up. You can see I'm whizzing through this. I think I sped this up 4 times. So I did want to make mention here, you guys, that there is a little bit of time left to get in your celebration items. I know that people don't necessarily shop for the free things, but it sure is nice to shop and then get a free thing. So if you're thinking about placing an order, of course, I would be eternally grateful. And but yeah, get yourself some free stuff. You can also subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, not necessarily subscribe, but buy the prepaid, and then you can earn some celebration items as well. And I'm going to entice you a little bit. I am looking for new team members. I am looking to grow my team. I would love to have you on my team if you're creative and if you like community. I have a great community. The girls on my team, I consider my friends. I talk to them personally. We do Zoom meetings once a month, and we have meetings once a month, and they get spoiled with a lot of inspiration, and I couldn't be happier with my team, but I would love to always add to it. And if you're interested, Celebration has the signing bonus right now, or like a starter kit, where you could purchase $165 worth of stuff for $135, and you get free shipping. Plus, you get a planner and a whole bunch of extras, like an extra stamp set. And that planner is gorgeous. And I know for myself, I've bought a planner in the past and it's cost me $100. So, it's kind of nice to get something extra for just signing up. And, you don't have to do what I do. You can certainly just, shop for yourself, maybe have a friend or two come along and craft with you. All right, so you saw what I did there. I put my flowers on my little rectangle. I'm now adhering the hello with my favorite adhesive, which is Seal Plus, and I'm covering the stems of the flowers, and it just so happened that hello was like the perfect size. I believe it is, let's see, it's 1 3/4 inches long and 1 inch wide. And then I had pre-cut these bows, and you know how long it takes me to tie a bow on camera. So this is white glittered organdy ribbon, and it is nice to tie bows with. It does shed a little bit of the sparkle. And I used my mini glue dots to adhere them, and then I needed to embellish, and I'm going through my embellishments right now, seeing what I think they're called polished dots, but give me a second here and I'll get you the actual name. Oh, where did I put it? Here they are. No, that's not it. Oh, goodness me. They're called polished dots, and that's what I used for the embellishments. And then, of course, I folded them in half, and then I'm going to go back with my bone folder after the embellishments, and I'm going to make sure that I have a nice, clean, crisp fold. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you a couple of different variations of this card. So right now we have the Sahara sand, and we've ripped it. There is also, you don't have to rip it, and you could just do Sahara sand as a layer, and then just put your bow and a different placement for the rectangle, the rich raspberry rectangle, and the flower. And then I also did a different zhuzhed up version where I actually used a stamp from the Wonderful World. It's the Bachelor Button stamp in Sahara sand and covered the page. That is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.